Hey y'all, and welcome to my messy house. It is so bad. I'm gonna have to walk you around and show it to you. But today is exciting because we're going on vacation today. I am so excited. I am completely on burnout level. And so this is just such a good thing. My husband's at burnout level, like we are done. And we need to just go somewhere and prop our feet up for a week. And that's what we're doing. So we're going camping. We have a camper and we're going camping on the Arkansas River this week. And so I'm sure that I'll be doing some filming there. I'm going to, I always cook. So I'll probably do like some campfire cooking, that kind of stuff. Anyway, but for right now, I've got to get this house together and get packed because I don't like to come home to a messy house. And so I've got quite a few things to do. Let me just turn you around. Here we go, my hot spot's covered again. And then there are dishes on the stove. There's dishes in the sink, normal daily dishes. I just haven't done them yet because I've been doing other things. I need to clean my dining room table off. Or I was editing a video. I actually have a to-do list. So this is my to-do list. Let's see. It's a lot. I gotta start the laundry. I need to empty all the leftovers out of the fridge. I gotta clean the kitchen, clean the living room, clean the bedroom. I'm going to meal plan. I need to grocery shop today. I picked up my meds already for vacation, and I need to pack for vacation. So I have one thing I can check off. I actually didn't go do that. My husband had to go to town, so he picked up my meds for me. So the living room is like, it's not terrible. I mean, let me get over here so you can see. So, there's some stuff. The pillows need to be straightened. I do have some clean towels that I've thrown here in the chair because I'm fixing to have a laundry folding festival. So, yeah, I've got that. And let's see what else. The bedroom's not terrible. It just needs the bed made, and I do have some clean laundry in here. The bed needs to be made. Samson's gonna be so upset because he gets really, really upset when we leave. When we start like packing and stuff, he'll like get in the suitcases. He'll walk around the house crying. So right now he's just relaxing, not knowing when we're leaving. But I do have the chair. Everybody has a chair or a treadmill, right? I have to get that laundry picked up and hung up. What are you doing? Did I disturb you? I guess I disturbed you. Pardon me. Anyway, and I just want to like wipe down the bathrooms, and make sure that they're clean. And like I said, we have to pack up. And so, yeah, I'm so excited. But I do have to do laundry before I pack. So I've got a load of clothes I need to throw in there and get those cleaned up. So the first thing we're gonna start out with today is getting the laundry switched over and getting all that sorted out. And then we'll probably hit the kitchen next and the dining room and living room, and then just kind of hit the bedroom last. Because I just don't want to come home to a messy house, y'all. Just don't want to come home to it. Okay, I've been talking for 3 minutes and 49 seconds, so I'm going to shut up. And I'm going to get off here and I'm going to get to work because I could just talk to y'all all day. So, all right, let's get started, y'all. Y'all, there is so much laundry motivation in this video. It is nuts. I did not realize I had so much dirty laundry, and I knew I had like a couple loads here and there to fold, but like I didn't realize I had so much laundry. So if you are needing laundry motivation, you have found the right spot because there are tons of laundry motivation. For those of you who have been following my recovery lessons, thank you so much for doing that and getting in the comments and letting me know what you think about them and interacting. I wanted to have a recovery lesson in this video and completely thought I was going to. However, when I left for vacation, I forgot to bring my material with me. So I will have it in the next video for sure. So just be patient with me. I'm so sorry for that. This bar area of my kitchen is just such a hot spot for me. I am trying to retrain myself not to throw junk there, but I'm not doing a very good job, as you can see. So I'm just going to continue to work at not putting everything there. It drives me insane. And then I just, like, it's overwhelming to me whenever it gets full. And then I just kind of shut down and don't clean it off. So I'm trying to be better about just not piling junk there. Do y'all have a place in your home that you pile stuff? Mine is there, and then the chair in my bedroom always gets laundry. Lord, them dishes are just never ending, aren't they? Good Lord, I didn't realize until I started how many dishes I actually had to do. I wanted to just get on here and say, if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by today and hanging out. I am enjoying having you here so much. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you and y'all's support so much. I hope that this is giving y'all some motivation today to get up and check some things off your list if you have one. If you don't have one, get up, make yourself a list. If you can check just a couple of things off that list, it just feels so good to do a few things and be able to mark it out and be like, I did it. I did it. I did something today. My husband finished getting ready outside, so he came inside to help me finish up. And while he was in there, he sat down on the bench and he was talking to me and he was like, Rachel, it's enough. You've done enough. It's time for us to go. Like, you could be here for hours and hours trying to make everything perfect before we leave, but you've done enough. So I'm going to just put the stuff up in the bathroom, and then I'm going to get my list and check off the things, because he gave me permission to give myself grace, because I have such a hard time giving myself grace and saying, you can stop now, it's okay. So anyway, so here's my list, and I'm going to mark off everything that I did and give myself an A+. I hope that y'all liked this video, and if you did, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and help the girl grow, and I will see y'all in the next one.